Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. We all crave for some tasty food, especially junk, but avoid them because they are somewhere unhealthy. So I have come up with this quick fried rice recipe which will not only suppress your junk craving but is added with goodness of health. So let's check out its recipe. In a kadhai, take 1 teaspoon of oil. You can use any of your choice. So to make this fried rice, you need lots of vegetables. I have taken capsicum, carrot, cabbage, green onions. You can use even bell peppers, mushrooms, paneer as per the availability. That is totally up to you. So I'm using here some leftover white rice and you can use even fresh or brown as per your choice. So now the ratio of rice and vegetable is 1:2. If you're taking 1 cup of white rice, you have to take at least 2 cups of vegetables. So once the oil is nice and hot, add some green chilies. This is a completely optional step. If you like it spicy, you can add it, otherwise skip this step. Now once this is slightly sauteed, add some spring onions. So I have not added here green leafy part, which we'll add it in the later step. So lightly saute it for about a minute. We don't want it to get soggy. Now I have added here a splash of water to deglaze the kadhai because we don't want too much oil to put into our recipe. So once these onions are translucent enough, now add other vegetables like carrots and capsicum. We are adding these vegetables as per the time they require to cook. So our motive is not to cook these vegetables. These vegetables should have a bite in them. They should have their natural crunch. So we'll just saute it for a minute and we'll not be adding any salt in between these stages. We'll add the salt at the last. So once you have sauteed the vegetables for about a minute, add the cabbage because that requires the least amount of time to cook. So now mix everything really nicely. We don't want these to get overcooked or get burned. So make sure you are mixing this continuously and not letting this sit for longer. So we are not adding any soya sauce or vinegar to this recipe, keeping in mind the health factor. We don't want this to be very unhealthy. Okay, so make sure your rice is not sticky because that way it will not get mixed very nicely with the vegetables. And I'm just sprinkling all the rice over the vegetables and folding it in to mix it really well. I'm not mixing it really very harshly because I don't want my rice to break. So I'm just folding it really lightly into the kadhai. Once you have mixed everything really nicely and you are okay with it, now add juice of half a lemon. And for the seasoning, we are adding some salt and some pepper. So there is no exact measurement to add this, you can add it as per your taste. Make sure you have turned off the flame at this stage, we don't want it to get burnt. Now we'll add some green leafy parts of the spring onions and give this a gentle mix. Once you have mixed everything really nicely, this is ready to be served. You can enjoy this recipe like this only, or you can enjoy it with some curd or raita by the side. So do give this recipe a try. This is really healthy and see how colorful it looks. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section below. And for more such video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your family and friends. Until then, take care. Bye bye.